Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're making Nigerian stew. Please watch this video as I show you the step. Thank you. If you're not a Nigerian and you're wondering what stew is a sauce which is made with tomatoes or plum, and we can use it to eat white rice, pasta or spaghetti, and jollof rice. I'll be using the following: fresh tomatoes. You can also use plum. I'll be using 2 bowls of these tomatoes. I'm making a big pot of stew today. Scotch bonnet, sweet pepper, onions, sunflower oil. You can also use olive oil or any oil of your choice. Maggi cube, jumbo chicken stock, which I'll be using as my salt today. I will be blending the following, and I will take out 1 onion which I will need later. That's the first set of the blended tomatoes, and I still have more to blend. I will turn on the gas cooker and I leave the tomatoes to cook for at least 30 minutes or more until the water is a bit dry. I will also be cooking the goat meat and snail which I'll be using for the stew. I've got onions, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet which is optional, jumbo chicken stock, curry, thyme. I blended the onions, garlic, ginger and scotch bonnet. That will go inside the goat meat. Curry powder, thyme, jumbo chicken stock which I use as Maggi or salt whenever I am cooking beef or chicken. Stir. I use very little water when cooking beef or chicken, but after 15 minutes I add more water. I will also use the same method as I've used to boil the goat meat for the snail. With the snail you need just little water. Stir and leave to cook for at least 15 minutes. Goat meat is cooked. You can grill or fry your goat meat before putting it in the stew. The tomatoes is cooked. The next step will be to fry our stew. You can use a frying pan or a cooking pot to fry this oil. Add the sunflower oil. Leave this to heat up. That's the cooked tomatoes. You can see it's not so dry. Add the chopped onions and leave this to fry for at least a minute. You add this to the tomatoes which you have in the pot and stir while it's frying. You can put your gas cooker on a low heat so you don't burn your stew. I added 2 cubes of Maggi. That's because I'm making a big portion of stew, but this will depend on the quantity of the stew you're making. You can add more or reduce. Thyme, curry powder, and jumbo chicken stock which I use as my salt. It's so salty. You have to use very little. You have to be careful if you're using this for the first time. Stir. I added bay leaf. I always have it in most of my food when cooking because I love it. Stir and leave this to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Check your stew and stir. I'll also be adding the stock which I used to boil the goat meat. That's it going inside the stew. Stir and leave to cook for at least 5 minutes. fried goat meat and snail, which I'll be adding into the stew. If you are a vegetarian, you can also use this recipe without adding the goat meat or beef, and it will still come out nice. After putting the meat and the snail, you stir and leave to cook for at least 10 minutes. Make sure you test your stew if it's tasty enough as you like it. I like my stew a bit thick, but if you do not want yours to be too thick like mine, you can add more water, or you don't have to cook it for long. After cooking the stew for 10 minutes, the stew is ready to be eaten with white rice, pasta, spaghetti, or jollof rice, as you can see on the video. That's the end of my stew video today. If I was to ask you to choose one from this rice, which of these will you pick? Please leave your comment on the comment section below. Thank you. Thank you once again for taking out time to watch my video today, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you've not yet subscribed or if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.